And
We're recording possible ghost
uh-huh.
across the street from our house in the upper window. It's really creeping me out.
Me too. Seriously, can the people watching this see it?
I don't know, but it's creeping me out.
And I think there might be a second person behind the wood.
And there might be. We don't know. And it's starting to scare me because, I mean, they have black drapes on the door, and there's just like this weird shadowy figure in the house across from us.
This is scary.
It's really creeping me out, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just reading a book, but I don't know who the hell would read a book at the windowsill, you know what I mean? It's a little weird. It's just a little weird.
Yeah.
I hope that person doesn't, like, show up, like, outside our house. That's gonna really scare me.
Yeah.
Anyway, bye.